Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Lexmi with another video. I am not going to show you the full process of me cutting my hair, but I will talk about the process. This video is just going to be about my big chop and why I did my big chop and what I plan to do next with my little sexy mohawk frohawk. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to my channel at Lexa Marie. If you don't know the rest of my social medias, it is Lexa Marie on all social platforms, so make sure you guys follow me there. But the main content of this video is just going to be me dyeing my hair. But while I'm dyeing my hair, I am going to talk about like my reason why I cut my hair and how I feel about cutting my hair. And I'm going to show some clips from the barber shop where I got my hair cut so you guys can see the full thing. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how I dyed my hair to that gorgeous ginger color. I'm going to be using L'Oreal brown and red, and I believe the brown was the light auburn and the red was copper. So I am going to mix both of these two things together. Honestly, I ended up using like all of the light auburn, and then I put maybe 1/5 of the copper color into the mix. So I did all of that and mixed it with my 4D developer. And one thing I do like about L'Oreal High Color is that you don't have to use bleach. It is made for dark hair. Like, this is what you want to use if you have short hair, just to get the job done. And I only use those 2 containers, so you're just gonna see me put it on very carefully because this is the first time ever I'm dyeing my own hair. So while I'm dyeing my hair, I guess I'm just going to talk about the process and the reason why I wanted to cut my hair. So basically, I just woke up and like I had to go to RA training. It's a funny story. It's a funny story. I had to go to RA training and, resident assistant training. And I was moving people in. I had on a wig and I had it laid. It was so cute. And next thing you know, I start to feel a breeze on my head, right? And as I'm feeling the breeze, I touch my head and all I feel is my wig cap. I'm like, oh. So I immediately run upstairs. I go, I put on my little scarf and I look in the mirror. I'm like, girl, why do you have on a wig? A wig, and it's 100 degrees outside. And that just kind of really pushed me to do what I've always wanted to do, which was cut my hair really low. So yeah, that's kind of like the shorter version, but I've always wanted to have short hair. I feel like you have to be a certain type of beautiful to rock short hair. And I'm like, well, am I that certain type of beautiful? Like, I don't know. I've always seen beautiful women with very short hair, and I just wanted to be just like them, beautiful. So I used that as my final breaking point and was like, you know what? These wigs are always going to be here. I don't even wear my natural hair out that often. It'll grow back. It grew back so fast in like a year last time. I can definitely grow this all back. It's no problem. So I just found a barber. I asked my bro. I was like, who do you go to in this area? He got me this wonderful barber, which I will probably link down below. So if you're in the DMV, make sure you go to him. But I went to him. He took me last minute and he blessed me, guys. Like, he literally blessed me. And so I came back to my crib, as you see right this second now, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to dye my hair, And I'm that person that's like, if I want to do something, I'm gonna obsess over it. If I don't do it when I want to do it, I'm just gonna freak out for the rest of the time and probably annoy whoever I call just talking about it for the whole day. So I decided to go get my High Color by L'Oreal. I went to like 2 different Sally's and I found the colors I wanted. I mixed the colors and boom, here we are now. So I am so nervous. I have never colored my hair ever. I've always heard some horror stories about it not working out, and I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. But you guys are going on this journey with me. I will be wearing my hair out and in protective styles on my channel, as you guys know already. I like to feature my hair every now and then, but I'm definitely going to show this off. once I get this color going. And yeah. So right now I'm just putting on a cap just because I know the heat from my actual hair will help the color process better and get all up in those little cuticles, and I will be leaving this on for 30 minutes. Exactly 30 minutes. No more, no less, because my hair is super duper short. It's not going to take that long, and boom, the 30 minutes is over. I didn't even do a transition. You feel me? I didn't even do a transition. You see that face? That's a raw reaction. That's a raw reaction. Look at it. I was touching. I'm like, why did the color change? Why did the color change? Do you see how that color took in my hair? Do you see how the color is giving in my scallops? Do you see it? Do you see it? Cause I was shocked. I was like, I look like a little chocolate head, little ginger chocolate. I was looking like a ginger snap. I had to look at it in the back. I was just so happy with the results before I even washed out the color. As you can see, I was over there just making sure it was all up in my hair. Listen, this is the exact color I wanted. When I'm telling you I don't want to look like Chucky, but I don't want to look like a chocolate milk dud, I wanted something in between, and this gave chocolate with a hint of orange. You know what I'm saying? Like that rusty chocolate, like that rust, that ginger rust. I was like, okay, okay. I was so excited. I was trying to be cool about it, but you can see I was turned. And I just, made sure it was all massaged in there, made sure I didn't miss any spots before I removed it. And once I washed this out, listen. So I wanted to go in after with some shampoo and some deep conditioner because I didn't want my hair to dry out. And even though my hair is like pretty good in terms of the moisture, but I just wanted to do some extra stuff just because I know it went through a lot today. My baby went through a whole lot. And then yeah, we're gonna get to styling. I just hope y'all love my reaction. Like, do you see, when a girl is feeling herself when she makes the faces I made in this video? Like, I didn't even realize I'm over here talking to myself. I'm forgetting I'm recording. I'm like, who is this bad bitch in the mirror? I'm that bad bitch in the mirror. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was just so happy with these results. I can also do like a light brown. I'm probably gonna do a light brown, but I'm trying to just do things that I know will just make me go like, it just looks so fire. And this is just so fire. Like, who gonna check me, boo? Who gonna check me, boo? Who gonna check me, boo? Okay. But this little sponge thing, I will say I understand why dudes use this. I could have just really sat there and coiled my hair, but see, I was feeling myself. I was feeling myself. I used that little sponge. I was obsessed with that sponge. Listen, I put a little bit more gel in there, you know, I put a little bit more splash, and I was using that sponge to the best of my ability to get my curls to pop. But it's so crazy because the back of my head, I didn't even really need to use the sponge. It was more the front of my head. But look at that. Hopefully you guys really like this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what videos you want to see from me next. But these are the final results right here, baby, 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 baby. Bye, guys. Don't know that I've been